Hi guys, today I'm going to share the prospecting technique I've been using for the last couple of weeks and months that it's helping me to find hundreds of leads and building a relevant trigger led sequence in just 3 steps. I will show you the step-by-step process, but first, before jumping into how we do it, let me show you the overall sequence of this process that it contains 3 main topics or steps that we need to follow. The first one, so find a creator in your niche and pick one of his or her posts, a relevant creator, someone that is offering similar things than you or has a similar offer or it's a competitor of yours. A second step that is extract the data from their comments or likes with a solution that I'm using that it's Kaspr. I will show you in a moment how we can use Kaspr to get those emails and phone numbers that we want to start prospecting those leads. And third, last but not least, building based on that a relevant trigger led sequence that, as a bonus, and I will show you later on, I have a complete cadence here of 3 emails that you can start using and directly plug and play within your prospecting process. So let's see how this works. Once you have your favorite creator, we need to open a specific post that you think that it's relevant for your case. Then we start analyzing the people that commented or reacted or gave it a like to that comment, to that post. And once we have those personas that could fit your ICP, we start gathering the information with Kaspr to start the sequence. So in this case, the example would look like this. Imagine I'm jumping into Yuri's profile. I was analyzing his latest post here, and I think that this one, the one that he did yesterday, is super relevant. It has a pretty decent amount of reactions and comments and reposts. So it's a viral post. So now I will open this post here, and this is where the step number 2 comes in. Here is where we start gathering, finding for relevant personas that fits our ICP. For the sake of the example, let's make it super simple. So in this case, either you can go directly into the reactions and start finding if any of the people that reacted to the post fits your offer or your ICP, or we can directly jump into the comment and start finding the same. In this case, let's pick Junior. It's an AE at Sendoso. So this could be a perfect prospect for my offer. Once we have the different personas that we want to prospect, we open their profiles. And as you can see here, I already have downloaded the Kaspr Chrome extension. So this is where we start gathering the relevant data, and we scrape the data from these specific personas like email and phone numbers. And then we jump into step number 3, that is start to sending those emails, relevant emails with a trigger-led sequence that we will use in order to convert and get more positive replies. So we jump into the Kaspr Chrome extension, and as you can see here, we can reveal contact details between emails and phone numbers. So if we reveal the information, you can see that we already have Junior's phone number here and also the different emails that he'd been using, in this case, Junior at the company, in this case, .com. So basically, once you have that done, you add them within the Chrome extension to your specific lists. In this case, I will select the list that is prospecting list, and I already have Junior into my prospecting list for this specific scenario based on Yuri's post. Now, as a step number 3, I want to show you 2 things. The first bonus, that is the sequence that I created specifically for you, that you can start using and plug in and play for these specific scenarios. Again, remember, relevancy and is king. So it's important for you to build a message that is compelling for your ICP based on that post that you mentioned. So it could be solving a pain they face related to the post, sharing resources about that specific post, asking relevant questions, giving them a freebie if you think that that's valuable. In this case, what I did is the following. So the first email, the subject line is outbound headaches, or in this case, you could add something relevant regarding that post. For example, Yuri's posts or cold email masterclass or whatever it's related to that post specifically. And in this case, what I say is, hey, name, notice that you like Yuri's post about the best cold email practices. He's the GOAT, no doubt. And this is where the relevancy starts, right? So wonder if cold outbound is giving you headaches, hundreds of hours sending dozens of highly personalized emails and following up just to get a 1 or 2% reply rate. Inefficient cold email processes lead to missed opportunities and slower sales cycles. That's why the modern seller streamlines cold outbound, cutting lead response time by 30% with cold emails proven frameworks. Imagine the impact on your conversion rates. Interested in learning how? And in the PS, I just added some social proof on how we help XYZ company. As a follow up, you can send a relevant resource. For example, I thought of sharing the 4-step sequence we use with XYZ company to help them double their positive reply rate. You can find it in this link. Feel free to copy and use it. And as a third follow up, you can either send a meme or a GIF or whatever you think that could spark their curiosity and get them replying to you. So in this case, it's a meme that says waiting on the reply like and the image of the skeleton. So this is how you start structuring the prospection technique and how you can start finding super highly target and relevant prospect within your ICP when finding a content creator that you like within your niche, extracting the data with Kaspr, and then start sending relevant trigger-led sequences. As another bonus, we were saying that in this case, I'm using Kaspr. I will share this document in the comments, so feel free to check it out. And you will find this link within the document where you can click here and start testing Kaspr for free with some extra credits because of using this link here. So give it a try and you will have for sure the sequence that you can copy and paste and start using right away. So hope you like it and see you